बाल हटाना, ये वाले बाल पीछे करना, ओके गाइस, दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस टू अ मिलेनियल. Hi guys, I am your host Ayushi Bhandari and welcome to my vlog. So today it's gonna be about Gen Z versus millennial. No, it's not a war if you think that. It's just a simple conversation between a Gen Z and a millennial. So I'm gonna invite my today's guest, who is a law researcher at Delhi High Court and also my sister. So welcome Rohini Bhandari. I'm feeling very, hi. Practically we are sisters and हम ये एक्टिंग कर रहे तो मुझे काफी weird लग रहा है.
Also, I think we got crop when we hug each other.
Yes.
So guys, please.
Sorry.
Okay.
आपको मेरा और
Good
श्रेया का
going.
podcast कैसा लगा?
It was really nice. The way you guys actually talked about the way Gen Z is taking this generation forward in a direction that I think you are doing great.
I feel obliged. मैं बता नहीं सकती अपनी खुशी, मुझे कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. अच्छा ये बताओ यार, जब हम छोटे थे ना, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, हम सबसे ज़्यादा मतलब आई वुडंट हैव बीन दिस फैशनेबल एंड वेरी कि इतना ज़्यादा मुझे ये कैमरे वाली लाइफ पसंद नहीं आती इफ़ शी वुडंट हैव बीन देयर, बिकॉज बीइंग द एल्डेस्ट सिबलिंग.
चलो कुछ तो क्रेडिट मिलेगा, इसको भी मिला. Way to go guys, kudos.
नहीं यार, यही तो सारी मूवीज दिखाती थी हमें मतलब मुझे तो नहीं पता था ना अबाउट. शी वाज लाइक जनरेशन एक आगे थी, तो शी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मी टू इंग्लिश सॉन्ग्स and movies and everything, with trends also sometimes.
Now it's our payback time. Now we are supposed to learn from Gen Z.
Yes.
I mean that's a right way to deal with things, right?
Yes, very right. So आपने मुझसे क्या क्या सीखा?
ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं.
प्लीज, ये मेरा ब्लॉग है, यहाँ मेरे बारे में बोलो क्या क्या सीखा मुझसे.
I can't say much. मेरा आ ही नहीं रहा मन्नू, ये तो क्रॉप कर लियो तो.
प्लीज, अब फ्लो में चल रही हूँ, मुझे बताओ कि क्या था.
Obviously, like whenever I am shopping, I am like Ayushi is my just call away and I'll be like कि Ayushi क्या लेना है, ये अच्छा है कि वो अच्छा है, please tell me what clothes should I buy, is this better, this combination is better. And she always have messages from my WhatsApp account, Instagram DMs like ये पेयर ठीक है, you should wear this, you should not wear this.
हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन बेसिकली यही होती है. मेरे पास पता है इतने इंपॉर्टेंट 2-3 बार कॉल आएगा एंड आई एम लाइक कि अब क्या है, अरे मैं तुझे ना व्हाट्सएप किया है, तो वो पिक्चर देख के बता ठीक लग रही है कि नहीं. सो ये भी एक जेन जी और मिलेनियल के बीच में बहुत होता है, बिकॉज जेन जी आजकल बहुत ही ट्रेंडी है.
Oh my god, this Gen Z thing, guys.
It's not a war. It's
not a war. I am telling you, frankly, I'm telling you, before coming home, I had no idea what the fuck is Gen Z. What is this war? What is the fuss about Gen Z and millennial? I just knew there was this 90s kid era, and I have been a total 90s kid, and I agree she's also been a total 90s kid, because being elder sister, I make sure she's supposed to enjoy every Kejo films, Karan Johar films, every shopaholic sort of movies, rom-com. I think, am I going in the right direction?
Yes, obviously. I crave for rom-coms. मुझे याद है वो 51st Date.
54.
You remember? So आपकी favorite, मुझे बताओ आपकी favorite rom-coms कौन सी है?
Pretty Woman.
I love that movie.
Notting Hill.
हाँ.
Notting Hill.
Julia Roberts.
And current favorite is before series, before midnight
Before
series.
Sunrise.
Before sunrise. Ethan Hawke
yes.
series. Yes, I think
हाँ.
I think I'm crushing over him.
मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है. मैं तो खो गई ख्यालों में. हाँ वो भी है, but मुझे rom-coms भी पसंद है, but I also like the movies with the where a woman, the female lead is very fashionista.
I know.
and
I
she's
remember
going
calling.
through
I remember calling her when I saw Devil Wears Prada.
I love
That movie totally reminded me of Ayushi.
That is my dream job, to work in a magazine, be a fashion editor, and just be like that. अच्छा, सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आप ये बताओ कि स्लैंग्स में कितने अपडेटेड हो, क्योंकि मैंने अभी ना श्रेया के साथ पॉडकास्ट किया था, एज यू ऑलरेडी नो, तो मुझे भी कुछ नहीं पता थी, मैंने ना रिहर्स किया था
So you
पॉडकास्ट
can try. I mean, I don't know.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ। आपसे मैं वो नहीं पूछूंगी जो मैंने पॉडकास्ट में पूछा, वो तो आपको पता होगा। टेल मी सस, सश और
Sush. I mean, silent or just
नो
shut up.
नो
now?
नो नॉट शश, सस
What's up?
नहीं, तो वो सब होता है ना सस।
What is it?
It means suspicious.
Oh my god. Dude, you guys need to type. What is sus? You can type it, suspicious.
I know.
What's wrong? Okay.
And you might know it. TTYL.
Talk to you later, obviously.
Yes. NGL.
Never get late?
No. You made it up. It's never gonna lie.
Never. Oh my god.
They can beat us.
Uh-huh.
Okay. और मैं क्या पूछूं आपसे? LMK.
Let me know.
हाँ चलो ये तो पता है, आप यूज करते होंगे इसको। ASAP तो पता ही होगा, आपकी जनरेशन का है।
Obviously, we have given you these words ASAP and whatever.
Please.
What please? Now,
आप सोशल मीडिया पे यूज करती हो सारे?
I
I don't think so.
few of them, obviously.
Okay, so tell me this कि आपको सोशल मीडिया पे रहना कितना पसंद है, लाइक आप कितना अपडेटेड रहते हो सोशल मीडिया पे?
I will not say updated, but yeah, I enjoy the memes that are shared nowadays. So yeah, that way.
Meme culture is basically
हाँ सब कुछ तो Gen Z ने ही किया है। प्रणाम हूँ Gen Z।
अरे नहीं यार, वैसे ही कह रही हूँ, आप लोगों ने टाइट जीन्स दी हमें जो हम यूज नहीं करते।
हाँ I remember, guys. I'll be sharing a photo of Gen Z wearing tights. Okay, tight jeans. Definitely.
पास्ट इज पास्ट, आज की बात करो।
आज की बात करते हैं, yes.
आजकल मेरे वार्डरोब में बैगी जीन्स के अलावा कुछ नहीं है।
I know.
एंड पेंट्स।
I know.
ओके, सो मेरे को ये बताओ, आप आजकल के फैशन ट्रेंड से कितनी अपडेटेड हो?
I mean, of course I am updated
अच्छा,
because
मुझे
I
पता-
have 3 sisters Gen Z
हाँ।
से, तो
अच्छा, मैं
yes.
आपसे नाम पूछूंगी तो आप मुझे बता पाओगे जैसे Y2K ट्रेंड क्या है?
Y2K trend. Oh my god, I know this.
आई नो, आपने सुना होगा।
2000, year 2000,
yes.
year 2000.
आपने मुझसे सुना ना?
नहीं, I don't think so.
आपने मुझसे ही सुना।
No.
अच्छा, डार्क एकेडमी बताओ। It's
अब-
basically the Harry Potter version of fashion. You know,
my
when
God.
you see the track skirts with the dark.
Oh my
Please.
god, please yaar. Please. Harry Potter is another level.
Listen, Dark Academy is one of the favorite trend. You can't just.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. अच्छा, ये बताओ, हाँ emojis. मुझे अभी याद आया emojis के बारे में कि आपको Gen Z के जो emojis हैं उनमें से आपको कितना पता है कि like
Only one.
नहीं यार, एक बताओ, हम laughing के लिए कौन सा emoji यूज करते
Only
हैं?
one. That guy with the dead face. Evil dead sort of skull. Face of
And why do
skull.
we use it? I know. Guys, अगर ये बताते हैं तो इन्होंने पहले वो comments पढ़ लिए इसलिए बताएंगे।
Obviously, because I had no idea. Because for me,
हाँ, तो
laughing out loud means a smiley with tear in it, tears in it, and then we have this skull emoji. I don't know what to do with it. I still use that normal emojis that we used to do on our Nokia or BBM text.
Nokia, oh यार वो वाला ज़माना क्या हालत था?
BBM,
When
BBM
she used to,
guys.
when you know, I didn't have phone at that time, and she was like very cool. मेरे पास तो phone है, and she had all the time
Obviously,
BlackBerry.
that
She
was-
got her first BlackBerry, and she was always using BBM, and I was so jealous of her because I didn't even have a phone,
So yeah.
and I was stuck with the Nokia. वो कौन सा phone है, क्या नाम है उसका?
I don't know.
Only texting and not aware of WhatsApp, Facebook, and every.
But I think
Other app.
both of our generation have a like we gave you something, you gave us something. I mean, it's not supposed to be a war.
No,
is-
it's not a war at all.
Yeah, I think the more we learn from each other is the best thing.
Yes, but word of advice: don't learn TikTok from Gen Z.
So please do. I hate TikTokers. What is wrong with them? TikTokers, oh ho.
Also, have you tried any of the TikTok trend?
Never. Do you think?
If
You
you get a
think-
chance,
Never.
try. No, just suppose if you wanna like if there is you know a really good trend you would wanna follow, so you would consider TikTok.
I don't.
मतलब
think
कोई
so.
ऐसा ट्रेंड हो जो मतलब इतना अच्छा हो आपको लगे कि यार ये तो मेरा मतलब मैं कर सकती हूँ, तब भी आप टिकटॉक ट्राई नहीं करोगे?
I don't think so. I am the least active person on the social media, guys. So I don't think I'll be the person.
I think TikTok is very you know बदनाम कर दिया है.
नहीं यार
Because-
बदनाम.
Techie reels.
Techie
Oh,
reels. Have you seen
reels, I
those?
think TikTok.
Have you seen those reels of school students nibba nibbi wali videos? Oh my god, what is
With those blind people. The guy suddenly gets blind after you know getting hit by a girl.
Thank God, I feel so privileged that I haven't downloaded TikTok. Matlab, I haven't seen any
Okay,
TikTok
so
videos.
I never made a TikTok video, but I downloaded TikTok. You know, because they were funny, so I was
Yeah.
just I like to keep track
But it's
of
fine.
things.
I mean,
But
never,
you know,
never,
if
never.
you judge reels with TikTok, please never do that.
Yeah, I'm
Because
not
reels
just-
are here, TikTok are here.
obviously, because I follow so many influencers and they have amazing content and amazing things to say.
Yes.
And one of them is my sister.
And
I can
oh
say.
my god.
but-
So you like my content?
I think it's fine.
She likes it. You know, कौन सी कहावत होती है?
घर का जोगी
जो
जोगी
क्या?
है.
और
I don't know.
I don't know too. ये बेबी बूमर्स की चीज है. ये ना जेंजी की है ना मिलेनियल्स की है. So I think that's it, guys, and it was a lot of fun to have my sister on the vlog.
I'm
and
so happy.
I hope this vlog get it because of you. And that's it. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
See you
guys.
next time, guys.